Welcome there. Today I will show you how to create pages for your Shopify store. And to create pages, first log in your store. Then you can see this page. When show you this page, then you click to online store. When click online store, then you can see this page. Then click pages. When click pages, then you can see this page. Contract is default pages, but if you want, delete it. And for new pages, you need to click add page. Then you need to give a title, page name. Example, my on page name is about us. Then if you want, you can, or it's required about us content. For example, I copy this content, it's my about us. Then click save. Then click view pages. You can see your page is created, done. If you want to create another pages, again click pages. Then you can see option again add page. Then I will click another page, contracts. Then you can type content, but for contracts pages, and Shopify provide a default template. uh, you can see a option online store theme template. Click here and click contract template. Then click save. When click save, you can again click view pages. You can see your contact us page is done. And rest pages you can create same process. Click add pages and give your information and create it. Thank you for watching. This is short video how to create pages for Shopify store. Thank you.